Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to find the list of tablet replacement parts on the application of Amazon Shopping. To know how to find the list of tablets replacement parts on the application of Amazon Shopping, you should just go to the app of Amazon Shopping as you see and you will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to find this window and you will enter. When you find this list, you will go to this window here, shop by department. Then in this list, you will go to click computers. After that, in this page, you will go down to find this list and you will click in this sign, tablet replacement parts. And then here in this page, you will find a lot of tablet replacement parts. You can click see more to see a lot of things here in this page as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.